Smart homes are moving into neighborhoods all across the United States. In fact, by 2021, more than 50% of all North American households will be smart homes. But smart home systems can be costly, confusing, and downright clunky. And builders need smart home systems that are simple, scalable, and affordable. Luckily, there's TiO, a simple smart home system designed with builders in mind. We work alongside builders from the very start by creating pre-configured systems. They're then packaged, room by room, and shipped directly to the job site, the electrician, or wherever you'd like, with everything you need. Installation is a breeze. If you can install a light switch, you can install TiO. No new wiring or new subcontractor required. This also means no extra or unexpected labor costs. And after TiO's installed, plug in the master coordinator and it's all up and running. No internet needed, no additional setup. TiO is plug and play. After installation, we take it from here. Our support team will be happy to help your home buyers without any recurring costs, so you can focus on what you do best, building homes. And home buyers can focus on enjoying the simplicity of TiO, like controlling their smart home using the easily installed wall switches, managing their smart home from wherever they are with the TiO app. And now they can even control everything by voice. Pretty smart, huh?
And the sweetest part of this deal is, unlike the other guys who can charge a hefty penny, TiO pre-configured packages start at just a fraction of the average cost.
TiO, the simple way to smart home.